Hi guys, this is my analysis on Binance coins. What am I expecting on Binance coins? If you watched my previous analysis on Binance coins, I think we were around this level right here, and I said we're going to continue to push to the upside, and this was my target that I predicted that we're going to continue to push to that target. And I said because we broke this trend line right here with this engulfing candle, I saw a possibility of it coming down here before we now continue to zoom to the downside. But as you all know, no one can predict the market. We can only react to the market, right? It didn't give us like a deep reversal right here before we now continue to the upside. You can see that it just reacted here. I was thinking because of here, right? I was thinking it would come down to my 61.8% fib level. That's like my point of entry that I was looking for, right? That might come here, then before we now push to the upside. And as you can see, we didn't push down to that extent. We just came here, which was rejecting around this level right here, which also aligns with my 38.2% fib level. So we just came to that zone right here, and we continue to push to the upside, and we can see that the first target was hit, right? We have 2.5 before we now continue to push to the downside. So based on this right now, what am I expecting? Right, I'm still expecting I can delete this one. I can delete this one. I'm still expecting it to push up a little bit. That's what I'm still saying. But because we are currently on a downtrend, right, I still say it because, right, you can see there was a break of structure here. It's giving us lower high here, lower high. So it's currently on a downtrend. So I see a possibility of it at least coming down to where I think it will get down to 61.8% fib level before we now continue to push out to my target, which is my negative 27% fib level around that area, which is 266. I'm still thinking we might still get up to that until otherwise it's done. So I see a possibility of it dropping to my 61.8% level, so we can see first rejection, second rejection, third rejection, a possible fourth rejection before we now continue to push to the downside. But as we all know, no one can predict the market. You can only react to the market. If I see a break of structure here and a retest, then I know we are going to continue to push to the downside. So, but as of right now, based on what I'm seeing, I still see a possible move to the upside, and based on what I've said previously. So right now, I think we're just going to come down here a little bit, the boom to the upside. That is still my target that I think you might still get to touch that trend line before we continue to now push to the downside, because we can see this candlestick broke this trend line right here, and we haven't come there to retest. So I see a possible move coming to retest the trend line right here before we now continue to the downside or continue to go to the upside. But I just see it coming there because there was a break of structure for a while now and it hasn't retested it yet. So that's a possibility that we are seeing, and we can still call the market a range market. We can see whenever it gets to this here, it reacts and it drops, and whenever it gets to around this level, it reacts and it drops. So it's possible it's just ranging until it breaks and get to that target, or break here and go down. So that is just my quick thought on Binance coins, guys. Hope this is insightful. If you find it helpful, don't forget to subscribe, share, comment, and like, and I'll see you in my next analysis. Thank you for watching.